Hi, and welcome to Aiken Adventures.
Today we're taking you on the big bus tour in Miami, Florida.
If you're just now joining us on Aiken Adventures, then we are taking you to all the best things to do and all the best places all around Florida. So you're going to want to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon as you follow us for all of our adventures around Florida. So we purchased the tickets for this big bus tour on Groupon as a part of a Go City Pass. It is the Go City Go Miami Pass, and we're going to put the link in the description below. When you purchase the pass, it's an all-inclusive pass that allows for you to be able to do any of the 25 activities for whatever number of days that you purchase. Now, to check in for the big bus tour, you have to go to the Bayside Marketplace down off of Biscayne Boulevard. Once you get there, the check-in point is pretty close to the front entrance. But while you're there, be sure to stop by and visit all the shops and stores and restaurants and everything that the Bayside Marketplace has to offer.
Headset and have sanitizer on the other side.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Headset and have sanitizer.
All right, so the first thing we got are these headsets, so that way we can hear everything that's going on while we're on our bus tour.
Right now I'm just listening to some Latin music. The beginning of our tour took us past the Freedom Tower, which pierces the skyline of the downtown Miami area. In the 1960s, it was used to document and process Cuban refugees who were fleeing the Cuban Revolution. In 1979, it was added to the National Registry of Historic Places. Almost directly across the street is the American Airlines Arena, home of the Miami Heat. The Frost Science Museum is a leading science museum in the world. It is a home to a planetarium, an aquarium, and several other amenities. Hold on to your hats, my friends. We are crossing the water on the freeway. To your right, you'll notice the Miami Children's Science Museum. This museum is home to hundreds of interactive bilingual exhibits. Port of Miami is the largest passenger port in the world and one of the largest cargo ports in the United States. So we're right beside of the Miami Beach Marina, and they told us that the rates are affordable. That's relative speaking, isn't it? Miami Beach is divided into 3 regions: North Beach, Mid Beach, and South Beach. South Beach is known the world over for its vibrant atmosphere, but also for its historic and iconic Art Deco architecture. South Beach really started to boom in its population growth in the 1920s. So when Art Deco became very popular in the 1930s, this was the style of architecture which was chosen for the building of the city. At present, considerable effort has been made to protect and preserve this historic architectural style in this area. This is definitely a bumpy ride for sure.
Whoever's driving this bus is from Miami. We can tell.
That's definitely true.
We can tell.
At present, South Florida is home to nearly 500,000 Jews. Over 100,000 of those live in Miami-Dade. And of those, almost 15,000 of them call Miami Beach home. Therefore, there are lots of large synagogues which are located all throughout Miami Beach. This one is called Temple Emmanuel. Lincoln Road is the outdoor shopping district of South Beach and is often called the Fifth Avenue of the South. In this mile-long shopping center, you'll find many iconic American brands, everything from American Eagle to Zara. There's so much waiting in traffic.
Yeah, for real. And listening to the screeching of the brakes.
Yeah. The recording said the reason for the delay is excessive traffic. You think?
Yeah, we can figure that out. We got that.
Yeah. No, actually the phrase is more redundant than that. It says the severe traffic congestion is caused by excessive traffic. Well, yeah, that's what it causes.
They got real
severe
creative.
traffic congestion. The base, off in the distance there, is South Beach's Contemporary Art Museum. They told us that that stone building over there houses the country's largest collection of Flemish artwork. How random. Make sure to bring some sunscreen when you're sitting on top of this bus.
Yep.
How you doing?
I'm sensitive to the sun naturally, so I'm just hoping and praying that it doesn't get me today.
Yeah.
I'll get burned easily. She's usually pretty good though.
I think one of the things that always amazes me is the different kinds of sports cars that there are all around and luxury vehicles. I always see a higher concentration of them in Miami than probably anywhere else I've ever been. It's back on the freeway by way of the Julie Tuttle Causeway, named for the woman who was a wealthy citrus grower and convinced Henry Flagler to bring his railroad all the way down to Miami. Because of her efforts, she's been called by some the mother of Miami. This tour feels really long with a child.
And it's the sun.
Yeah. She's being really good though.
Yeah, she is. She's been good all day.
But mostly we're parked in the middle of the road. Do you like the bus? Are you having a good time? Yeah, what are you doing?
Are you holding your mask?
Oh, you're holding my mask for me?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Next, we head over to the Wynwood district of Miami. The Wynwood district is known for its beautiful, colorful walls. The buildings in this district are former warehouses which have been converted to usable space. Things like restaurants, shops, stores, bistros, boutiques. The exteriors of these buildings are adorned with artwork from world-famous street artists. Next, we head through the downtown Miami area. The tour included some information about the revitalization of downtown Miami. Some explanation was given about the history of the municipal buildings and the conversion to the more modern style architecture which is familiar to the Miami skyline. And no tour of Miami would be complete without a stop by Miami's Little Havana. And of course, the heart of Little Havana is Calle Ocho, which means 8th Street in Spanish. Some have said that Calle Ocho and Little Havana are the most concentrated celebration of Latin American culture within the United States. So they take about a 20-minute stop, or we're taking about a 20-minute stop in Little Havana, which is great because this is one of the big sights to see in Miami. So we get to pause for just a moment and walk around and check it out. This district, you will find Cuban cafes, Latin American art galleries, and of course cigar shops selling Cuban cigars. Alright, we're on our way back to the bus, and then we're going to finish up our tour. Of course, from there, we rode off into the scenic and beautiful Miami sunset.
Hi, this is Anthony and Elena.
If you've enjoyed this video, then we invite you to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon as you follow us for all of our adventures around Florida.